Hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to recognize what number is a multiple of 2, what number is a multiple of 3, and what number is a multiple of 5. If the number is even, what number is even? If the right digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that number is even. If so, that number is even and is a multiple of 2. For example, 52 is an even number, so it is a multiple of 2. Or 136 is an even number. These are multiple of 2. What number is a multiple of 3? To recognize if that number is a multiple of 3 or not, you must calculate the summation of digits. For example, about this 52, the summation of digits are 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3, so that number is not a multiple of 3. For example, if you divide 52 by 3, the remainder is not 0. Even 136 is not a multiple of 3. Why? Because 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10. And 10 is not a multiple of 3. But this number, 288. 288 is a multiple of 3. Why? Because 2 plus 8 plus 8 equals 18. And 1 plus 8 equals 9. And 9 is a multiple of 3. You can keep continuing. 2 plus 8 plus 8 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So this number is a multiple of 3. Which number is a multiple of 5? Very easy. Just consider the right digit. If the right digit is 0 or 5, that number is a multiple of 5. For example, 35 or 635 or 480. These are all a multiple of 5. Why? Because this right digit is 5 or 0. All the numbers that their right side are 0 or 5 are multiple of 5. After this, I want to tell you how to decompose a number to its prime factors, which is very important in mathematics and arithmetic. The most important primes for all numbers that you will start to decompose them to their prime factors are these 3 primes. 2, 3, and 5. These 3 primes are very important. And now you know how to recognize if that number is a multiple of 2 or 3 or 5. For example, this number, 90. You want to decompose 90 to its prime factors. Always draw a vertical line in front of that. Start with the 2, the least one, then 3, then 5. Is 90 a multiple of 2? Yes. Why? Because that is an even number. So divide by 2, 90 divided by 2 is 45. As long as it is even, you can keep continuing, but it is not even anymore. 45 is not a multiple of 2. You can go for the next prime. What is the next prime? 3. Calculate the summation of digit. Summation of digit, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So 45 divided by 3 equals 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. Still a multiple of 3. So divide by 3 equals 5. And 5 itself is a multiple of 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. This, when you achieve 1, that means over. 90 has already decomposed to its prime factor. 90 equals 2 times by 3 to the power of 2, because 2 times by 3 means that 3 to the power of 2 times by 5. We have already done for 90. Now let's go for a bigger number. Bigger number like what? Like 2520. What to do at first? Draw the vertical line. That's a big number, bigger line. So, is that an even number? Of course, because the right side is 0. So, divide by 2 equals 1260. Even? Yes. Divide by 2, 630. Even? Yes. Divide by 2, 315. Even? No, not anymore. Go for the next prime. Next prime is 3. Calculate the summation of digit. Summation of digit, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, of course. So divided by 3 equals 105. 105 divided by, yes, it is a multiple of 3. Because 1 plus 0 plus 5 equals 6. And 6 is a multiple of 3. You can divide it by 3, which is 35. 3 plus 5 is 8. Not anymore a multiple of 3. Go for the 5. Is a multiple of 5? Look at the right digit. It is 5. 5, so 35 is a multiple of 5. Divide by 5. 35 divided by 5, you know the multiplication table, 7. So, 7 itself is a prime. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Over. Done. 2520 has already decomposed to its prime factors. 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2, 5, and 7. This means that 2520 equals 2 to the power of 3 times by 3 to the power of 2 times by 5 times by 7. Well done. Now you know how to decompose a number to its prime factors.